That leak from the Supreme Court, there are questions about the impact overturning Roe v. Wade could have on abortions in certain circumstances. Local 5's Larissa Leone looks into those scenarios.
According to Dr. Payal Kohli, there are many complications that can happen during a woman's pregnancy, but some can cause a threat to the mother's life.
Some of these complications can be life-threatening both to mom and to baby, and sometimes terminating the pregnancy is the only option.
Christy Judkins is the executive director of Iowa Right to Life, and she says Iowa Right to Life doesn't take a stance one way or the other as far as advocating for women to have the baby or not if complications due to the pregnancy are threatening her life.
That's kind of labeled abortion, but in a situation where you have a mother who is in a life-threatening situation, and her choice would not necessarily be to terminate her pregnancy for convenience, there is a little bit of a difference.
Although Judkins says she sees a difference between a woman willingly pursuing a termination of pregnancy as an act of personal choice compared to medical reasons, she isn't sure how that should be handled on a legislative level.
There are definitely different sides of opinions as it relates to whether there should be exceptions for laws in the state that govern abortion, and threats to the mother is one of those. And I think that would be up to our elected officials to determine how that would move forward.
For Dr. Kohli, she is concerned with the impact these decisions have on the medical community.
As a physician, as a woman, and as a medical provider, I think we're going down a really dangerous, slippery slope here.
Iowa Right to Life says they're not in support of abortion for reasons like Down syndrome or other genetic defects or disorders. And Dr. Payal Kohli says she is concerned with these impacts that these decisions have on the medical community and the precedent that the decision will set for the medical profession. In studio, Larissa Leone, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.